How to fix phone charging slowly on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down, and click on Device Care. After click on Device Care, click on Battery. After click on Battery, scroll down and click on Charging Settings. After click on Charging Settings, if you want to fix phone charging slowly problem, so make sure turn on fast charging and fast wireless charging. After turn on this button, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen, you will see your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so change adapter. After change adapter and change power cable. After change adapter and power cable, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so clean background app, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix phone charging slowly problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.